it's Ashley from Editorial Reviews, and today I'm unboxing the Piquant Post. This is a monthly spice subscription. So each package takes you on a different culinary journey around the world. They go to a different region of the world and they'll like amass up 4 recipes along with a spice blend that goes with it. I do always try to make one of these. So if you're interested in seeing one being made, not like a video, but like the blog post of me making it, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Piquant Post with my affiliate link. They are running a Mother's Day special. It's good until the 12th. So get in there right now. It's 20% off any subscription length, and at $11.99 a month, I don't know what 20% off of that is. I think it's $2. So think about that, and then you're getting it for $10 a month. It's a great sub. I love this one. Okay, so let's get in there. Let's see. I didn't even open it like for my first glimpse because, I mean, to be fair, like when you take a first glimpse like this, it's not like a sneak peek or anything. You know what I'm saying? All right. Ooh, it looks like Japanese. Yes, it is. I have been waiting for this one. Like, they're eventually going to get there to Japanese food. I don't want to miss it. All right. So first we have, okay. I don't know how I should do this. I forget now because I'm excited. All right. So we'll just do the udon noodle soup. All right. So we all have had udon. I mean, I hope you guys have had udon. Let's see what they say here. Most udon soups are built on a workhorse broth called kakajuru, made of dashi and umami broth, soy sauce, and mirin, sweet rice wine, which I do have rice wine, and I do have soy sauce. I just don't have the umami broth yet. I guess that's what you're going to be making. Our featured spice blend is, in this dish, is Chimchi Togarashi, Japanese 7 spice. So here it is. And in this one, there's chili flakes, tangerine zest, sansho pepper, white sesame seed, black sesame seed, ginger, and nori. The prep has a prep time of 10 minutes, literally. And I mean, the udon noodles, I think that those are so, like, you just put those in water, I think, and they're like immediately, I think. I can't remember. But all it includes is water, bonito flakes. Oh, like the fish flakes, some kelp, dried shiitake mushrooms. I can get all of this at the store. Spinach leaves, beach mushrooms, which I don't know what that is, but I'll have to find it out. Shiitake, carrot, eggs, leek stock, the togarashi blend, and 4 pieces of shrimp tempura, fish stick cake. Oh, okay, so like frozen fish item. That's it. So that looks like it might be good. Japanese beef curry. This is probably, look, this has a really little prep time too. You're going to make a curry roux, like a sauce, and then you're going to make a curry stew. How does their curry taste? Never had Japanese curry. Oh, look, and it says it here. Curry is a relative newcomer to the Japanese menu. So let's see what they include in there. Japanese curry. So here's the packet. In this one, there's turmeric, coriander, cumin, cardamom, cloves, honey powder, fenugreek, ginger, cinnamon, and black pepper. That sounds good. My husband loves curry. I am not as big on curry. I know it sounds terrible. I do love like a lot of Thai curry, but that curry, like that very smoky flavor. I'm not a smoky flavor person. Just not my thing as much. But my husband loves it. He loves everything smoked. Like the smoked flavor is like his wheelhouse. So maybe that's the one. I don't know. So then we have the okonomiyaki savory pancakes. And this one, also 10-minute prep time. Furikake blend. So it's this blend here. I do love the little pictures for the Japanese ones. This is has nori, white sesame seed, black sesame seed, and sea salt. And this one. So what are these pancakes though? Is a style of savory pancake originally from South Central Japan, a region which includes the cities of Osaka and Kyoto. Literally translating to grill it as you like. They're cooked on griddles. Ah, interesting. Whew, I've never had that. And then we have the one that looks the best to me. This is black cod and mushrooms. this is a quick one. Prep time 10 minutes, cook time 25 minutes, total time 35 minutes. You just need to have your fish. They say black cod, but you can also use, it says sea bass, halibut, snapper, striped bass. And then you just need sesame oil, olive oil, soy sauce, sweet rice wine, a shallot. I have most of this actually. Garlic cloves, scallion, shiitake mushrooms, and the Sancho pepper. So, and then all this is Sancho pepper in here. So I've never actually had that. I'm excited to try it. So if you're interested in seeing what I make, I'll link to that below. I'll also link to Piquant posts so you can check them out. I'm probably going to put this video up before I actually do the recipe so you guys have an opportunity to get that coupon if you're interested. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.